goodness gracious, it's Sweet Donut Kiddie by Faye Unchained. But you know what? I know I haven't filmed this quite a while, but you know what? Just film it anyway. So I think I'll just put the camera down over here or something. So let me just set my car, so here we go. Yeah, I do hate this Kiddie bar still. Where is the start button? Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. Actually, I just found that this is a one-off. It's on my camcorder. I got this as a flash-in. This Kiddie bar does suck still, apparently. It does have 6 already filmed over there. Supposed to have a stubble on this. I believe it's missing. That's what I think. I do hate this Kiddie bar still. It just sucks, that's all, to be honest. This Kiddie bar is quite annoying, to be honest. I've got to say, I'm sorry, it's just my opinion. I do like when it runs you when you press like this, to be honest. Just in all what Bobby Builder said it actually, to be honest. Lol. Oh. It's gonna go longer. And that's a Sweet Donut Kiddie bites.